Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I really ought to just delete Part 1 because this is the way I did it, and this was my goal. This is what I wanted to do. So I did it completely different than before. I started off with a 2-inch circle. I'm going to go ahead and hit P, put it in the center of the page, make a duplicate of that guy. And then I'm going to completely do it different. I'm going to go to contour, and I'm going to contour to the outside 1 inch 5 times. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to contour to the outside 11 times because I'm going to show you in just a second. Let me select them all, go up to object and break the objects apart. Let me go ahead and go ungroup. Whenever you contour, you still got a group inside. If you look, we have 12 objects. If you look, we have 6. So I'm going to take a real long 2-point line and hit P. I'm going to go ahead and go Control D and rotate it 90 degrees. And I'm going to delete the bottom or the top half. It doesn't really matter. But on this one, I'm going to delete 3/4 of it. Now, it's not, I guess it's just a math deal I wasn't thinking about. It still doesn't really match up exactly like you would think. And let's get rid of our lines. Let's go ahead and group these together, Control G, Control G. And let's take this to here, and that's what we have. So we still have that one line. But if we take away that one line, all the lines curve into the other line. Now I'm going to take them all and weld them together. I'm going to go ahead and make them something other than a hairline. You know what? Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's ungroup them. I guess, okay, because I weld them together, I'm going to break the curve apart. Get that one line. Let's go ahead and make them all at 1/2 inch or 1/3 inch. But then let's take this one and hit F12 on your keyboard and make the corners or the end caps round. See, that'll make that look a lot better. Now, I don't know if when we create an object, will that, and see down there, it won't really matter because we're going to put it together. No, it worked. So now I'm going to left click, right click. See, let me go ahead and weld these together. And then Control D and make a duplicate. Now it's not going to mirror perfectly because that one is longer. If you see, it made that end cap round. But if we take our 4-point cross and have it snap to it and then weld it again, you get that. And then I just played with the colors because you could either do two things. You could make them all red, take away the outline, and then Smart Fill, the center is going to be bigger yellow than the other because I only did it not a 1/2 inch line. That was my original goal, to do that right there. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody for watching.